Hi guys, today we're going to try something new. I have never put my face in front of the camera, so hi, it's Stacey. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. For all those that are returning, hi, here I am. This is my face. Please know I'm super uncomfortable about right now. It's very difficult to sit here in front of a camera and not to show my hands, but here I am. So today is National Card Making Day, and I made a fall card using some very cute foxes, and I also have another fall card to share. Today is Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood. Jill hosts a open collab for all the crafters in our community who make cards, who sew, who paint. I'm trying to think. Like, there's so many. Cross stitch, diamond paint, any craft. It doesn't have to be paper. And I know there's so many more that I left out. For any of you that are here, that have been at my channel, know that I joke. I am in my dining room back here. There's more behind me. All the fun stuff's, well, actually in front of me. We joke in my family that our dining room table is in my craft room. I'm trying to think of what all to say. I'm going to put Jill's information down below. I did stay up pretty late to create this fall card. It's a Copic masked single layer card, and I am paying for it today, let me tell you. Please know that I have been absent from YouTube up until probably a couple of months ago. I took a break for about probably 7 months. I kind of got on here regularly for Saturday Morning Makes. It was a really big encouragement. Thank you, Jill, for that. Saturday Morning Makes allowed me to connect with people in this community on a different level. It encouraged me to create. It kept me going for a bit, but I took a break for about 7 months to work on my health. Like many of us, I have health problems, I have other problems, and I can't guarantee I'm not going to disappear again, but please know, please know that even when I am not active on here, that I am watching all of your videos, that I'm thumbs upping them, and if I'm not commenting, it's just because it's hard. And it's hard for all of you troopers out there that take all the time to comment on everybody's videos. It's so beautiful to see the different love and encouragement and just all the kindness, and know that that is a lot. It is a lot to take the time to comment. A lot of us watch on large TVs, which I do. My eyesight's not the best. See, here's my glasses. I'll put them on for now so I can see far, but I can't see close. I have to wear these for crafting. And I appreciate reading all of the comments. I appreciate the people that return. I appreciate all you subscribers, the non-subscribers. I appreciate all of you that put out content that teach us in this community, who also put out just sharing what they make, sharing what they haul. I love the haul videos. It makes me feel like I'm shopping, and it keeps me from going and spending money that I shouldn't, because I have enough. But like many of us, we always want the new, the cutest, yeah, that's me too. So I don't know what else to say. I'm really nervous. I made this video once. I'm trying to keep eye contact with the camera. I noticed that I was looking off, like here. That's where I see myself. And then I look here, and I think I'm making eye contact with you guys. So we'll see, and I'll try to fit this in. But hi, welcome to my channel. And let's get into the makes. Hopefully I get pieces together. Thanks, you guys. Please bear with me. I'm really nervous. And this is like a huge step for me to put my face on camera. Like many of us, I just put my hands. That's what I'm comfortable with. And even that is very hard. I had to make my husband literally go outside. I'm so nervous. I made him go outside. My son is upstairs. There's no way I could do this. So knowing that all of you are going to be watching this, and it's really scary to put, you know, your mug on social media. So especially in a video, it's pretty raw. And for all of you that do this on a regular basis, kudos, because I am an introvert. I am not an extrovert, and yeah, this is a tough one. So I'm stepping outside my comfort zone here, and I appreciate all your guys' support. And yeah, let's get into the let's get into the card sharing. Okay. Hi guys, it's Stacey, and hopefully the intro made it into the beginning of this video. So I'm not going to do my normal spiel for Saturday morning makes because it should be in the beginning. All the information will be down below. Also, it's National Card Making Day, which I guess was created to encourage crafters to make Christmas cards. At least that's what I heard. So I'm going to show you the products I used today, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you the cards. Sorry about that. So one of the cards is using this MFT Dynamics. This is Birch Trees. Hopefully there's not a huge glare. We have CC Designs. I know they're not making this anymore, and I don't remember what it's called. I bought it so long ago. I did use the acorn from it. I used the Lawn Fawn stitched hillside borders. And then I used this In Love Art Shop oval frame. Go ahead. Oh, the stamp sets. We got to show the stamp sets, right? So we have Neat and Tangled. These are Merry Kisses, and yeah, it's called Merry Kisses. I love these foxes. Is that how you say it? Foxes? Foxy? I've used these guys so many times. I've used them for Christmas cards, fall cards, Valentine's cards, all different cards. And then I used the pumpkin from Jamie's set here. This one is called Fall Gnomes. And if the intro makes it into it, you guys will know that I stayed at really too late making this card here. So we have the fox here, the foxes, and then the pumpkins, and then I created this hill with the sun behind it, or just light, I don't know. One thing I wish I would have done differently is did the hue of the foxes a little bit, maybe a little more brown, or cut maybe made different colored pumpkins, maybe green, orange, cream, just some different colored ones, or even pink. I know pink's really popular this year. So that one, yes, I stayed up too late. My body is definitely paying for it today. I don't know if you can see, there is some Spectrum Noir clear glitter pin on the background there, and there's glossy accents on their nose. So hopefully that shows up. Let's see if we get that in frame. And then there's this one, and I made this one a while ago, but I figured I would show it because it's using the same fox. And this one I did differently. I think I stamped that one in the Memento, like gray ink. I forget what it's called. I know you guys have it, but it's the gray version of the Memento of this. So the fox are a little bit softer, and when I fussy cut them, it's almost like no line. And I use just a black pen when I put their eyes and nose and mouths and whatnot back in. And then I ink blended a background and used the stitch hillside borders. And then I used a really light warm gray Copic to make the shadows of the trees. Hopefully the light in here is not washing that out. Let me see if I can. I don't know if you can see that. So I want them to cast the shadow, but I didn't want it really intense. And then I just took those acorns from the CC Designs die set and colored them with Copics, and then added some little hash marks and shading and whatnot. So those are my shares for not only Saturday Morning Makes, but also for National Card Making Day. Oh, and there's the trees. And I did some shading. And I tried to make it to where the shading was reflected on each side, so they change. And then this one has it on both sides because the sun's behind these fox. And then try to make them lighter like the sun was hitting them there on the tops of their head, just like this one here. That's what I did there as well. And then I tried to make it a little bit darker. I should have darkened them up more because all of this would have been darker, but I still think they came out cute. Let me know what you think. Hopefully I'm able to piece the intro together for this. Otherwise, I'm going to have to record this again. Please be kind, because that intro has me putting myself out there in a way that is very raw. And kudos to all of you that do that every single day. Know that all of you are appreciated, all your comments are appreciated, and that I do try to comment as often as I can, but when I don't, please know I'm watching you, or your videos are playing in the background and I thumbs up, and I try to support in all the different ways. And there's a lot of you I watch that probably don't even know that I've been watching for years, so I'll try to be more active in doing that. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend, enjoy National Card Making Day, and enjoy Saturday Morning Makes. Bye.